Here's everything I ate today as a ballerina and dance teacher. I start off every Monday morning with teaching a class online at 8:30 a.m. And since I work evenings, that definitely warrants a coffee first thing. And I would not be able to function without having breakfast, let alone teach a dance class and do a ballet class right after that. My go-to cozy breakfast as of late, since I live in a really cold climate in Canada, has been warm oatmeal. I add some cinnamon, I add some turmeric, I add some frozen berries, and I also have to add maple syrup because, hello, I'm Canadian. Every Sunday I try to meal prep, which is really helpful because I'm always on the go during the week. This is me giving myself a thumbs up because I'm happy that I meal prepped. I also had leftovers from bar burrito with some falafel. So I mixed that all together. So there's some chickpeas, some rice, some tofu, some leftovers, some salad, and some salad dressing. And this bowl is deceivingly small, but it was giant, trust me. And just like us, our pets need some exercise too, so I took Elsa on a walk. Look at how good she's being. I really love having the freedom to be able to go on a walk during the day, go to the beach, get some vitamin D, especially during Canadian winter. We barely get any sun. So getting outside is super, super important, both for mental and physical well-being. I also didn't end up doing a ballet class today, so it felt really good to move my body on this walk. When I got home, I was craving something sweet, so I had a ginger snap cookie, vegan yogurt, love crunch. I also sipped on a Gatorade, and then I made myself a coffee to go because I was teaching in person in the studio tonight from 3 p.m. until 8:30. And I just like having a coffee to go because that entices me not to buy a coffee at Starbucks, especially since we got this almond and oat dairy-free coffee enhancer that is a Starbucks brand. And let's be frank, I'm a girl on a budget, so I cannot afford to be going to Starbucks 5 times a week. Then I got to the studio. I taught, like I said, from 3 p.m. until 8:30. I got home close to 9, and for dinner I had some leftover pasta from the day before, some salad and some corn, and then I snacked on some salt and vinegar Miss Vicky's chips and some fudge.